Caribbean Chronicles by Liesl, Christmas Eve in downtown St. John's, Antigua. After my catamaran cruise with Excellence Catamaran, if you'd like to know more about that experience, click on the link on the right side of the screen now. I decided to walk through the colorful streets and the waterfront of St. John's. This is a very special day because there's music in the air, Christmas lights are glowing, locals are out celebrating, and the Caribbean holiday vibe is everywhere. From Redcliffe Quay to the harborfront, this is one of Antigua's most festive days in the year. Expect the island nightlife to kick off, and there'll be reggae and soca sounds, warm tropical weather, and relaxed energy for you to experience. Unfortunately for me, I had just done a full day cruise, so it was more like walk through downtown, make some observation, and see if I had the energy to come back for the nighttime party, which I didn't. Nonetheless, I'd like to show you what I did experience in the few hours I had after my cruise. So this is the harbor area, and this is where the cruise ship picks up, or that tour boat that we were on, which is the Excellence, picks up people. My battery's gonna die any second, so I'm gonna have to switch to the GoPro, which I think still has a little bit of battery, I don't know. But I'm just gonna walk around a little bit. This is the Harbor View Cafe. I wanna ask if I can use the bathroom. Okay. So I've been told that it's gonna be mad today in town. And I'm gonna find that out. But for now, let me try and show you a little bit of this. And I'm gonna find out if there is a bathroom somewhere that I can use. But there are all the boats, kind of the ones that went out. Heritage Quay. Okay. What is it saying? Okay. Oh, I don't have much battery left, but I wanted to show you this. There you go. And just head off. Oh my God, I am literally tired. No. Sorry, do you mind? No problem. Thank you. So, I was gonna go here yesterday. Oh my God, I need to sit down. Addresses, but that's one of the places people like to go and eat. It will be nothing for me because they just do pizzas and burgers. And there is Rasta Pasta. Oh God, something's biting me. Yeah, you were right. I should have. Wait, but where's the? Wait. Let me go back because I think that the other place where I want to go to. No, thank you. The other place, she's like, I'm on a big boat. Nope. Is hey, you okay? I'm good. Show you what I can show you, but I'm gonna go find the ferry desk and ask about my ferry to my flat. Other really have nice things in here. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna. Let me go. Oh. Hello. Thank you. Can I pass? Can I pass? Thank you. I do not want to drink. I just want to go find where the ferries are leaving, which is probably where I already was. Oh, the light's bad, but I could turn it around. Captain's Caravan, Rumba. Oh, okay. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. I just need to. Well, I think there's someone at the information thing. I hope. I can't see anyone. Oh God, I'm in trouble. Okay, I'll ask.
Don't know what they're sharing here. I'll ask them. Is there someone there? Sorry, if I was going to go to the Montserrat, where can I get the ferry ticket?
Montserrat?
Yeah.
You need to check the ferry there.
There, isn't that way? Okay, because I thought the information, but there's no one in there, no?
For the boat.
There. Okay. Super Wi-Fi. So I gotta go to the ferry desk and ask them. It's casino. Where's the ferry desk? Welcome to it here. Football. Where is the ferry desk? Is that it? Or is it somewhere? Is that it? Huh. Anyway, maybe they're in front, but there's no one there. Okay, maybe in front. So those ones are making noise. Whatever it. Okay, so I think the last one's. Oh, there is a boat. Oh my God.
Market Street in St. John's is one of the busiest and the most energetic places on Christmas Eve. It's where downtown feels most alive. It's packed with last-minute shoppers, street vendors, music, food smells, and people socializing till late into the evening. So when I walk through the street, it's clear you can see people setting up. You can see all the vendors. It was good to have a quick chat, pick some little bites that I was going to eat in the house. During Christmas season, sections of Market Street are even closed off so crowds can walk freely through the area. The street has historically stayed pedestrian heavy until late at night. So you will usually find street side vendors selling toys, clothes, electronics, Christmas decoration, and local snacks. You'll hear music from different speakers. You see family in groups lining up after the shopping. You see storefronts decorated with a lot of lights and food stands with grilled chicken, barbecue parties, roasted corn, and local drinks. So the traffic will be focused around Market Street, Heritage Quay, and Redcliffe Quay. So come along with me and enjoy the few minutes I was able to capture of St. John on Christmas Eve in 2024.
Most of it is way back, but I'm gonna get that this evening. For now, main itinerary is go home, charge everything up, and I come back for the party. Okay, let's do that.
Turn left onto Newgate Street.
Okay, I think I'm supposed to. Oh wow, I'm supposed to go. Wait. Where am I supposed to go? I think I'm going the right way. Yeah, but that building is nice. I'm gonna like that.
Okay.
And she got a Christmas sweater on. Okay, I think I'm going the right way. Here's Leicester Christmas thingy. Oh, this is downtown St. John. We are on Newgate Street. Actually, I wanted to show you Roti King. I'm gonna do it another time. But I'll show you a bit of this, put this away, and walk home. And probably, I hope I have 1 hour to charge my stuff before tonight. That's my hope. But another thing they say about here is that you have a lot of traffic, which it looks quite like traffic. My back kind of always feels light and I get scared that I forgot something, but I don't think I did. Church, nicer than the cathedral. I think it's newer. No, so like this building is very colorful. Oh, Bishop's Gate, I need to go for it. Okay. Church, beautiful. So, come on. Oh, that's not even the supermarket. That's coming from the car. I thought the music was from the supermarket. My God. Paradise. Hot shots. Like, I love the colors, you see? The houses are really cute. It's bright enough for me to still be doing that. But generally, I think Antigua is very safe. At least that's the feeling I got. And of course, we would. Oh, I love these colorful houses, and even the style is very typical, like that house. Okay.
Keep it happy and I do what make me happy. Nobody can deny me that I'm blessed.
So how cool is this? This is one of the Airbnbs I looked at, and then I decided to go for my one, which I'm very happy with. I mean, the house does look good. There was some comments about the surrounding or something, I don't know, which made me go for Connie's. I don't regret going for Connie's. I think this road is very loud, in all honesty. But I'm tempted to do a deep tissue massage with them. It's 250 ECs for 1 hour. That's roughly about 88 euros. Not as cheap as I would expect, but still not the most expensive. So we're wobbling our way back home, and I'll plug this to charge. Oh, by the way, if you see cars with yellow plates, those are taxis. Now I have 2 taxi guys that I know. I'm still contemplating what exactly I want to do. This is my problem with when I kind of feel comfortable somewhere, then I don't want to go. I do kind of feel comfortable at Connie's, and I'm like uprooting myself from somewhere where I feel comfortable, where I kind of sort of now have a routine. I feel uncomfortable, but nonetheless, I think I will do that. So, and let's make some difference. So I think the joke's on me, because the first day they were like, hey, the KFC here is different. I'm like, I don't go to KFC, but it's right next to where I'm staying, and in terms of a healthy option, chicken and salad, it's the easiest, and at least you know what you're getting. So I think this is my 3rd time at KFC. I did eat a roti king yesterday. I just don't feel like it today, and I already had rice and chicken and salad on the boat, so I'm like, I don't want no more rice, I want some veggies. So that's why we're getting this here. So again, KFC, and I love this.
I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Liesel81.